How can you use apps to translate your money goals into lasting habits? Well, that's what we're diving into today. If you've ever struggled to stick to a budget or felt like your financial goals keep slipping away, I'm going to show you how using the right apps can help you turn those goals into real, actionable habits. Stick with me until the end, because I'll reveal one powerful technique that's going to change the way you approach budgeting forever. Trust me, it's not the typical stuff you've seen before. Let's jump straight in. We're talking about apps that don't just track your spending, but actually help you build better money habits over time. Because it's one thing to track your money, and it's another to develop a mindset that keeps you on track day after day. And that's where these apps come in. First off, let's talk about habit tracking apps. We're talking about tools like Habitica, Streaks, or even simple task managers like Todoist. These aren't just for your daily to-do list. What's amazing about these is that they let you create money-focused habits. Maybe you want to save $20 a week. You set it up as a daily task, and the app will remind you each day. The key here? You can track your progress, get small rewards for completing each task, and build momentum. But here's the thing. Most people think apps are just for reminders. They aren't. A good app actually changes the way you think about your goals. This is where something like YNAB, You Need a Budget, comes in. Unlike other budgeting tools, YNAB doesn't just give you a snapshot of your finances. It pushes you to assign every dollar a job, which makes you think differently about money. It's no longer just a list of numbers. It's money with purpose, money with intention. That shift in mindset can be the game changer. Now, here's the part most people overlook when they use these tools: automation. I'm not talking about the usual bill payments or auto pay for subscriptions. I'm talking about setting up automatic savings or investing. Apps like Capital or even your regular banking app can automate small transfers into your savings or investment account. But here's the trick. Don't make it about a big sum of money right away. Start small. $1 here, $1 there, and guess what? Over time, it'll add up. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can build a habit of saving when it's effortless. This is a big reason why apps like Capital or Acorns are great. They take care of the work for you, while you focus on building wealth. Think of it as an easy way to make saving money a routine, instead of a chore. And here's the final piece: accountability. A lot of apps now have built-in social features. Apps like Good Budget let you share your budget with a friend or family member, keeping you accountable. This could be the key factor that pushes you to stick with your goals when times get tough. But I want to give you one final tip. It's something I've used personally, and it's not really talked about much. Gamification. You've probably heard of it in the context of fitness apps, right? But what if I told you that gamifying your money habits is one of the best ways to keep you motivated long-term? Apps like Mint and Capital let you track your progress with visual dashboards. But when you make it competitive, whether it's with a friend or even yourself, you turn saving money into a game. And games? Well, they're fun. And when something's fun, you're more likely to stick with it. So, let's recap. Habit tracking apps help you build consistent money habits. YNAB shifts your mindset toward purposeful spending. Automation takes the burden off your shoulders. And accountability keeps you on track. If you can master these tools, you'll see your financial goals start to feel like real habits instead of lofty dreams. If you got value from this video and want more content that isn't driven by affiliate commissions or hidden incentives, hit that subscribe button. It's time we start turning our money goals into daily habits that stick.